Welcome back here, my home cook says chef. Today we're gonna be doing some leftover nachos on Taco Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday, you guys. Thanks for stopping on in. I'm your chef KC with the Urban Culture Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm gonna show you this really simple and quick, easy dish to do with your family. And let's get into the ingredients. Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today gonna be a real simple and easy, recipe. Gonna be doing is making. Well, let me say, welcome in and happy Taco Tuesday, you guys. We're gonna do like a little rendition on tacos with leftovers. But we're gonna do a twist. We're gonna do nachos. You know what I'm saying? Normally, when you think of tacos, you don't think of nachos, unless you are going out to a Mexican restaurant and that's where they have them. But, you never think about you can use your leftovers that you have. So, we had a little get together and, we had some chips and salsa. And and then the other day I made some brisket. So I had some leftover brisket I wanted to chop on up. So what I did was I chopped up some brisket, and I was like, well, what do I want to do with this? Because I had some tacos the other day, so I want to do something different. So I have some leftover queso too that I had with the chips. So I was going to use this. So that's what I do. So it's going to be real quick and easy. Pretty much stuff that you may already have in your refrigerator to make up some nachos, probably for movie night or for the kids, or something just quick to eat. Right now I just want something quick to eat. So you hear that the cheese is finished melting, so we're gonna get ready to assemble it. I'm gonna take it out the microwave, and we're gonna be ready to do the rest of it. So how's everybody doing? In y'all neck of the woods. This is a good old Tuesday. What y'all up to on this Tuesday? I know some of you guys probably at work listening in. And some of you guys are at home. Some of you my home cooks. So how you guys been enjoying your holidays? Is it too cold and wintry out there? Wintry out there? Trying to make up a word. But yeah, first you want to do is get some chips. Any store-bought chips or if anything. But like I said, this is leftover stuff. So that's all you really use is leftovers. Just align your plate. You know what I'm saying? Get out your best. Silverware and dishes. And put them in your plate. That's all you need. I don't really eat that much of it. So, and next thing you want to do, I think a lot of people do this wrong. To me, this is my opinion, is they put the cheese on last. I think you need to put the cheese on first. You know what I'm saying? Because you can align everything, on top of it. So that's all it is. This was just for leftovers, like I said. Now you can do more. You can, this was a nice queso that I had. It was called queso blanco. That we were serving for a different type of dish, and I was like, well, we got a little bit left, so what I want to do with it. So I was like, well, I can do this. And next thing you want to do is add in your meat. So this little brisket I had, like I said, it's coming to its end. So I was like, well, let me, spiff it up, jazz it up a little bit, add it to a little nachos on Taco Tuesday. Don't that look good, you guys? All right. And that's all. And make sure you stay clean. Put your dishes away. Yeah, it tastes good too. And last but not least, I always gotta have some kind of salsa. So, I had some salsa that my wife made up. It's pretty good. So just sprinkle over your salsa. And the reason why I did this too is because a lot of times your salsa be cold, so I put it over the meat so it doesn't cool down the cheese. And last but not least, I thought this was a really cool, add to, we were using for tacos, but I can use it for here. And this is an avocado cilantro. So if you ever been to a Mexican restaurant, they always have that green cilantro. They actually have them in the store that you can buy yourself. And, saying it's flavored the same exact way. So, I thought this was pretty cool. So just add it on top, yeah, your little greenery. And voila, guys. And that's all it is. It's very simple and easy. Let me know what you think about it. Have you ever tried it or would you like to try it? This is a really simple, easy ingredient. I just want to do something real simple for, for Tuesday. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned to my monthly dishes that are going to be out in February. We're going to be celebrating Black History Month. So we're going to do a lot of soul food. So stay tuned to that. I'll be trying to do, ones, every day or every other day. So definitely, stay tuned in. And let me know if you tried this out. And let me know if you your family enjoy this meal as well. And oh, do me a favor, if you really can, is tell somebody about the channel. You know what I'm saying? Share it out to everybody else. And what you want to do is let me know how I'm doing. I always appreciate corrective criticism. I know some of the people were looking at I think my pecan pie, and they was wondering why I didn't eat it, but or show it on camera. I was making it actually for a family member, so I didn't want to cut into it. But anyway, if you're new, you know what I'm saying, welcome in. If you're not new, thanks for hanging on in here. I'm gonna have more great dishes, but I just want to do something real quick and easy. This is not something hard. This is something that you can do with chicken, fish, shrimp, or whatever you have left over in the refrigerator. Like I said, this is a leftover, dish for Taco Tuesday. So I'm your chef, KC. Thanks for stopping by the Urban Culture Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in the next one.